હેપી બર્થડે અંકિતા. ખૂબ ખૂબ ખુશ રહે અને ખૂબ ખૂબ પ્રગતિ કરે.
હાય અંકિતા, ચાલો હવે ડેડીનો ટર્ન આવે છે તો કરી દો ક્વીન સેટ.
Yes,
Okay.
setting is everything in life. Now also last striker Ankita beta. Yes, I knew it. I got it.
So setting is everything.
So setting is everything in life.
Yeah. Now જેમ આમ બધું કેરમમાં સેટઅપ કરે છે તેમ અમારી જિંદગી એટલી સુપરબલી સેટ કરી દીધી છે. So we are having a fun time with the family and તું મારી વાલી દીકરી ખૂબ ખૂબ આગળ વધે તારા કામમાં અને હંમેશા ખુશ રહે, ચાર્મિંગ રહે, દિલદાર રહે અને એમાં જ તારી જિંદગી સુખરૂપ જાય.
અંકિતા માર્કેટ ગમે એટલી ઉપર નીચે થશે પણ તું અમારા દિલનો હંમેશા ઉપર જ રહેવાની.
So have
Wish
a
you a happy
wonderful
birthday and a wonderful life.
and let's the game go on.
Hi Ankita, wish you many many happy returns for the day. Sorry we can't make it, but this is the best way we could wish you. Enjoy your day and have a great year ahead.
Go.
Hi Ankita, wishing you a very happy birthday. May you get all the possible reasons this year and every passing year to stay happy and stay blessed. Keep shining, keep rising and keep inspiring everyone around you. Stay young and keep inspiring me to stay fit.
Many happy returns of the day Ankita. May God give you a very long happy life.
Hi Ankita, happy birthday. Wish you a very healthy life and a very successful life. Always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ankita Mami. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ankita. Have a great day, and we need to celebrate and get me drunk again like your cocktail. For sure. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Ankita. Have a super one, and we'll catch up after the lockdown. Take care.
Let me start. Dear Ankita, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. My fondest memories are of you when I saw you for the first time at Pavan, and you were this cute girlfriend of Kunal's, and Khush used to be all the time, running around behind you, and you used to play with him, and you always came across as a very warm and a very loving girl. And I think you picked the right family for that extra love of so many members, and we found the right person with a lot of maturity, a lot of financial prudence that you bring to the family. And besides that, I just love the time we spend discussing recipes and discussing the books and of course discussing our Bollywood gossip. So now I'm waiting for this and then this, because we need a little Ankita or a little Kunal really soon in the family. And my best wishes to you for the year ahead. Love you loads, and I'm always there in whichever way for you as your oldest sister-in-law. You can look at me as a sister more than a sister-in-law, even though I may be Kunal's bhai, quote unquote. So I'm just wishing our bond is like this forever.
Hi Ankita, sending you the sweetest wish for your birthday ever.
Happy birthday.
Yum Yum Donut, happy birthday, bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ankita. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ankita boy.
Love you.
Bye.
Hi Ankita Didi, a very happy birthday to you. Sending you loads of love, happiness, prosperity all the way from Denver. I'm not sure why mom did not introduce me to you like so many years ago, but I guess it's okay. It's better late than never. It feels like I know you forever. I'm looking forward to many more cutting chais. vegan. Breakfast around the world. I think we should start like counting that and exploring like new cafes and new restaurants together. Workouts. Ha, you're my like workout motivator. Let's like, and we should go more trekking, explore more places together. We should do it this time now. I think it's really high time we should like get our bags together and like, oh, and shopping. How can we like miss shopping? We should shop together as well. So yes, here's me wishing you a happy birthday again. Mom sends her love. Kishan wanted to be a part of the video, but as usual, he's like, I don't know where he is, but he sends his love as well. Again, a very, very, very happy birthday. I'm hoping to meet you very soon. Have a great day.
Many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Wish you all the success in life.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ankita.
Happy birthday, Ankita boy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Bye. Take care. Happy birthday, Ankit. Wish you lots of happiness and a good health.
Happy birthday, Ankita. Happy birthday, Ankita Didi.
Happy birthday, Ankita Foy. Or should I call you Ankita? I don't know. You have been very inspiring to me, and thank you for being. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Ankita, how are you? Wish you a many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. May your all wishes come true. Once again, happy birthday.
Wish you a happiest birthday, Ankita. Stay blessed.
God bless you. Have a great year ahead.
Hi Ankita, wish you many happy return of the day. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Love you. Miss you. Bye. Take care.
Hi, Ankita. Wanting to wish you a very happy birthday in these weird times. Definitely a birthday you will remember, I'm sure. My gift to you on this birthday is a new crazy exercise you can add to your already intense regimen. One-legged burpees. Give it a shot. You'll have it. You'll have fun with it.
Hi Ankita, just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Because of these weird times, we get to participate on your birthday celebration as well. So I guess that's an upside. Thank you for all the fond memories of you guys visiting the US the last 2 times. It's always so much fun having you guys over. And I guess my wish for you is to come back so we can continue with the good times whenever that becomes a reality. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Hi Didi. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
हाय अंकिता दी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आपको मैं आपकी बचपन की एक चीज़ दिखाना चाहूँगा। आपको कुछ याद आ जाएगा तो अच्छी बात है।
Yes, I miss this Didi a lot. You have always set an example of a great sister, a great daughter, and now a great financial advisor. Just keep rocking as always and have a wonderful quarantine birthday. I know it's very hard to digest, but yeah, I know you'll enjoy with the nurses. So stay home,
Stay safe.
take care,
Bye.
bye.
Hey Ankita, how are you? Wishing you a very happy birthday. Your age is exactly like your SIPs. It grows slowly and steadily, and that's how you are. You are accountable for the health of the family, the well-being, and we are all actually very proud of you that you are a part of our family. We wish you a lot of happiness, a lot of prosperity, and a lot of good wishes on your great day. Enjoy yourself. We miss you. We wish we were there with you to celebrate together, but it's never too late. So hopefully soon. Take care.
Happy birthday Ankita Mami. I hope you have a very great day, and I hope Binani makes you a very lovely cake with all your favorite ingredients. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I hope your company grows now through the lockdown as well. Good luck and best wishes, Mami.
Hello, hi Ankita. Wish you many happy returns. Might be having great surprise.
હાય અંકિતા, કેટલા પૂરા થયા? ક્યાં પાર્ટી છે? હેપી બર્થડે. કોણ પાર્ટી આપવાનું છે કે ઘરે જ છે? બાય. ખૂબ આનંદથી એન્જોય કરજો.
Happy birthday Ankita Didi, and we'll be meeting you super soon, and like very excited to host you in my college and see you giving the talk there, and that's it. So once again, happy birthday.
Hi Ankita, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hey Ankita, wish you a happy birthday. Don't look so shocked. Smile. Just kidding. Just wanted to wish you and say how proud we are of you, you and your financial company, the Oak Tree, right? The Oak Tree Financial. We are very proud of you doing such a good thing, and
also accompanying in the gym, working out.
Yeah, that's true. I don't see your videos though, but I do see Kunal's video, and he's just a rock star, I would say. And also, we are very proud of you going on TV and in like newspapers and all. I wish I would have done such things, but I'm just proud that you are doing it for all of us. So. Is just amazing feat. Again, wish you very happy birthday and all the best. Bye. With love.
Hi Ankita, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead.
God bless you. Wish you lots of travels. Have fun.
We love you.
See you. Take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ankita. Happy birthday to you. Ankita, have a wonderful day today. Sending you lots of love and hug. Stay blessed always.
Hi, wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you're making the best out of it regardless of the lockdown quarantine situation, but that only means that you can party harder, right? But yeah, I hope you're having a really good day and make the best out of it. Sending you lots of love. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday Ankita. Stay blessed always.
Happy birthday, dear Ankita Fai. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ankita. God.
Hi Ankita Didi, happy birthday, and I hope we spend a lot of time together in the coming future. I was told to do this before 2 or 3 days, but because of my college viva and other submissions I couldn't, so still happy birthday. Have a great day.